Good morning, parents. I hope you're having a great weekend. I just wanted to reach out with a really quick video because I am about to send you a Google Slide presentation. And the Google Slide presentation is my actual presentation for Back to School Night. Back to School Night is coming up this week on Thursday, August 27th. It begins at 5 p.m. However, I couldn't figure out exactly how to give a presentation in the time allotted. So I put together a self-paced presentation, and you can do it on your own time. You can even do it today when you don't have a million other things going on. And you can get with me on the day of Back to School Night just to say hello, or when you come to my Zoom meeting, you'll be doing it independently there. So I'm making this video because I'm going to send the Google slideshow out on Class Dojo in about 10 minutes, and I just wanted to make sure that you knew what it was and you knew that it was coming. A couple of really quick hints. Strongly encourage you to do it ahead of time. It shouldn't take more than 15 minutes. And then the other quick hint is the first is I purposely did this so you could do it at your own pace. So I would strongly encourage you with your student to get together and do it as a team. I'm always available if you need me. Shoot me a text, send me a message on Class Dojo. And then my other hint is when you do the Google slideshow, if you would do it on a computer, it is so much easier than it is to try to do a slideshow on a phone. Phones are, they're just really small, so you might not be able to see everything on the screen that you need to be able to see. Okay? I hope this is helpful. I hope this makes your life easier and makes it easier for you to keep up with what's going on in your child's life. I hope this is helpful. I hope it makes learning about your child's education easier and less stressful. And I look forward to seeing everyone at the Zoom meeting on Thursday. Thank you. Have a great day.